Hello, in this video, we'll try to understand the process of converting the repeating decimals into fractions. Actually, getting decimals from fractions is easy because you can do that by the calculator also. So if you write 1 over 3 and you use your calculator, you can get it easily as 0.333, which keeps getting repeated. And then you can write it as 0. Because 3 is being repeated, so you just need to put a bar on the top. But there's no way that you can get 0.3 bar being converted into this fraction 1 over 3 just by using the calculator. So let us look into the process. So what we're going to do is we'll say let x is equal to 0.33 and this is just getting repeated. Now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply both the sides with a 10. So if we multiply the x with a 10, it becomes 10x. And if we multiply 0.333 being continued multiplied by a 10, so this decimal is just going to shift 1 onto the right and it will give us 3.333 and that just being continued. Now what we'll do is we'll subtract our equation number 1 from equation number 2. So let us write equation number 1 down here. So we are going to write x is equal to 0.3333. And now we are going to subtract these two equations. On subtracting this, 10x minus x gives us 9x and 3.333 ongoing subtract 0.333 ongoing gives us just a 3. So x will be equal to 9 in multiplication goes as division on the other side, so which is 3 over 9. So x is equal to 1 over 3. So we have been easily able to change the repeating decimal into the fraction. Let us look into another example. Now let us try writing the fraction for the repeating decimal 0.2727 and this just being repeated. So we know that this 27 is the part which is getting repeated. Now we'll consider this to be x. So x is equal to 0.27 being repeated. Now because the two digits are getting repeated, so what we are going to do is we'll multiply both sides of the equation with 100. So when we multiply x with 100, we are going to get 100x. And when we multiply the right side with 100, we'll get 27.2727 and it keeps going. Just because when we multiply a number by 100, the decimal moves two digits onto the right. Now we can subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So 100 minus x, it gives us 99x. And 27.2727 being repeated, when we subtract 0.2727 being repeated, we just get it equal to 27. Which means we can write x is equal to 27. 99 in multiplication comes into division. And 27 and 99 being divided by 9, we can reduce it to x is equal to 3 over 11. So this is our fraction for this repeating decimal. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.